everyone, I am Priyanka De. Hope you all are doing great. Since a lot of you have been asking me almost in my every ukulele covers about the chords and the strumming patterns I use in the respective songs, so I decided to come up with some ukulele sessions. But before that, I just want to confirm you that I am also a learner and knowing about an instrument is a huge institution, which sometimes may not be possible only with a YouTube video. So it's very important for us to have a mentor who can monitor everything whether we are playing in the right process or not. So it's very important. Okay, without more further delay, I am starting this session with a song from my channel itself, which you have been also asking for, that is Mere Sonaya from Kabir Singh by Sachet and Parampara. Now, let's first categorize the chords of the song. We need only 4 chords for singing the whole song, that is C, F, G and A minor. All chords are major except A minor chord. For holding C major chord, we need only one finger, and that is ring finger, which will be on 3rd fret 1st string, and your ukulele will sound like this. And this is C major chord. For holding F major chord, we need 2 fingers, that is index finger and middle finger. Your index finger will be on 1st fret 2nd string, and your middle finger will be on 2nd fret 4th string, and your ukulele will sound like this. This is F major chord. Now, for G major chord, we have to use 3 fingers, that is index finger, middle finger and ring finger. Your index finger will be on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger will be on 2nd fret 1st string, your ring finger will be on 3rd fret 2nd string, and your ukulele will sound like this. This is G major chord. Lastly, for A minor chord, you need only one finger, that is middle finger. Your middle finger will be on 2nd fret 4th string, and your ukulele will sound like this. This is A minor chord. And we are done with the chords. Now we will play the song only with the chords. Later we will go to the strumming pattern. So now we will sing the song only by playing the chords. See carefully the video for better understanding.
पीपल पटिया वाही चूड़ा खनके, बंठन की मुटियारा आइया आई पटोला बनके, कन्ना दे विच पीपल पटिया वाही चूड़ा खनके, मेरे सोहणिया सोहणिया वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं ओ दिल लगना, मेरे सोहणिया सोहणिया वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं ओ दिल लगना, जावे छोड़ के ना तेरे नाल रहना वे, तू श्रृंगार मेरा तू है माही गहना वे, हाय दूरी में वैरी जिन्ना तू मेरा होनी मेरे सोनिया सोनिया वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं दिल लगना.
Okay, we are almost done with the chords. Now we will go to the strumming pattern. Here's the strumming pattern is a bit different from simple strummings. Please avoid consciousness for better strumming quality. Now the strumming pattern will be like this. Up, up, off, up, off, up, off, up, off, up, off, up, off. For doing more attractive to hear the song, sometimes we may use only the chords without strumming. Like at first line, we will just play the chords and then we will start strumming. We will strum the song along with the chords. Please watch the video carefully. Here we go.
बंधन के मुटियारा आइया आई पटोला बनके कन्ना दे विच पीपल पटिया वाही चूड़ा खनके. बंधन के मुटियारा आइया आई पटोला बनके कन्ना दे विच पीपल पटिया वाही चूड़ा खनके. मेरे सोनिया सोनिया वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं दिल लगना. मेरे सोनिया सोनिया वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं दिल लगना. जावे छोड़ के ना तेरे नाल रहना वे तू श्रृंगार मेरा तू है माई देना वे. हाय दूरी में वेरी जिन्ना तू मेरा होने में तेरी. मेरे सोनिया सोनिया वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं दिल लगना. मेरे सोनिया सोनिया वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं दिल लगना.
And we are done with the whole song. To listen my ukulele cover in this song, you can go to my channel. I have given the link in the description. If you have any queries, you can comment down below. We'll try to answer those. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet. I will keep uploading more ukulele sessions like this. Till then, shower me all your love and blessings. Keep smiling and stay musical. Bye.